Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did these crochet butterfly twists. Girl, say goodbye to the days that we're sitting 8+ hours in somebody's chair getting that hey boo text. Girl, we ain't got time for that. We're just gonna do our own hair, okay? So starting off, I'm gonna use these butterfly locks by Naila Tresses. I found this at my local beauty supply store, y'all, and it is so cute. I'm also gonna need a comb, my crochet needle, and of course we need to moisturize our hair. I'm using my Be Be Hair Buttah that can be found in my collection. I'll link everything down in the description box below. So right here, I'm just taking my hair out of my scrunchie, parting off the front of my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to braid the front of my hair in like 6 to 7 braids. And then in the back, I'm just going to braid it down in just 4 dookie braids. This hairstyle, it does not take that long. It literally took, if I didn't have to go to the beauty supply store and get some extra hair, it would have took me only 30 minutes to do this hairstyle. But yes. First thing first, you want to make sure that you moisturize your hair with some type of hair cream, hair butter, something. Your hair is going to be put away and protected for the next 3 to 6 weeks. And you want to make sure that your hair is moisturized underneath. Yes, I'm going to be using hair oil as well, but you want to make sure that your hair strands are protected as well. I mean, I don't mean to toot my own horn or nothing like that, but my Shea Baby hair butter is literally the truth. It is made with shea butter, murmur butter, it has Shea Baby powder, it has almond oil, all of the things that your hair strands is going to need to stay moisturized the entire duration of you having this protective hairstyle in. And when I tell you, you are going to see a difference. So if you are someone who like experiences breakage, split ends, like you can't understand why your hair is not growing and it's the same length, child, try that hair butter out. I'm trying to tell you, you're going to see a difference just in one hairstyle use. But anyways, I'm going to stop rambling, y'all. I'm going to just let y'all see what I'm doing. I'm just braiding off the top of my hair, and then I'll come back when I braid the back down. Okay, so for the back, like I said, I'm just going to throw 4 big dookie braids in the back, child. It does not have to be perfect or none of that, as long as you get these braids in, because it's all going to be covered up with the crochet hair. And what I'm doing is I just parted the back, a fat child, what am I talking about? I parted it in a big part, and then I'm just connecting 2 braids at a time that's in the front to the back, and then you should end up with something like this. Okay, so once I got my hair braided all the way down, I'm just going to go ahead and crochet that last braid inside of one of my braids, so that way I don't have a braid sticking out in the back. And I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my Secret Formula hair growth oil to make sure that my scalp is nourished, growing, and flake free. So this is what the crochet braid looks like, and I'm just going to take the end where the loop is at, put the crochet needle through my hair, make sure that the needle thing, the little latch thing, is down, so that way when you stick it through your hair, it's not, hurting you or poking you. But before you pull that braid through, you want to make sure that that latch that's at the bottom is hooked up, because you will snag your hair, child, and I do not want you to have no bald spot, okay? Once you get that crochet braid through that loop, you want to make sure that you pull the end of the crochet braid through the loop and pull it all the way up until it makes a knot at the top. And you want to pull it tight and make sure that it's in there before you move on to the next step, because you don't want none of your crochet braids to fall out. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to repeat this step until I'm done with my entire head. This entire process, like I said, I had to stop midway because I had to run to the beauty supply store, child. I thought that I had enough hair and I didn't. I don't even know why I played myself like that. But anyways, y'all, you're going to repeat this entire process, the entire way of your head, until you are done. And I know you're probably like, girl, why aren't you spacing them out like that, child? Like, what are you doing? I'm spacing them out this way because I don't want them too thick, but I didn't want them too thin either. So the first initial pack that I did space them out, because when I go back in later, when I get me some more hair, I'm going to fill in those gaps so that way it can be more fuller. But I didn't want like that heavy, thick, look. I just didn't want that. I didn't want. Alright, so this is the final look, but girl, I have to do my edges first, child, because you, girl, quit playing with me. Anyways, I'm using my on lockdown edge control for my edges, and I'm just gonna swoop them and make it look good, because I'm going to be wearing this hairstyle like a flip over method, and I want my edges to be laid and done. I'm not going for nothing too dramatic. I'm just giving myself 2 swoops so that it can look cute. You know what I'm saying? And why do y'all be coming for me in the comments all the time? I can't even post. I just be wanting to post my business and go on about my business. Y'all find something to talk about me with everything, child. Y'all talk about my forehead. Y'all talk about my edges. Y'all just gonna keep talking about me. But y'all gonna keep pushing my videos too. So I appreciate it. What I love the most about this hairstyle, besides the fact that I didn't have to sit 8+ hours for it, is the fact that it is so versatile, child. You can wear it in the middle part. You can put it up in a ponytail. You can put it up in like a pineapple bun, child. You can literally do whatever with this hairstyle, and it lasts so long. It is a super great protective hairstyle for you, especially if you are someone who is looking to grow your hair back, but you know what I'm saying, you just don't want to put too much tension on your hair, because wearing those braided hairstyles can put a lot of tension on your hair, and this is perfect. But this is the end of this video. I'll catch you in the next one.